So we've cleaned this whole area now with alcohol, and we're going to apply a little bit of betadine. Most of the time the sweating happens in the hair-bearing areas, so those are the areas that we're going to focus on. We don't always have to do this starch iodine test, but for demonstration purposes we're going to see exactly where she's sweating from this. Placed betadine in her axilla and making sure that it's dry. Now we're going to take a little cornstarch and just gently powder that area with a little cornstarch, and then wait for her to sweat. I think we need more betadine. Okay. This side we place the betadine after cleaning her axilla, making sure that she didn't have any deodorant on. We applied the betadine, and then we just gently dusted some cornstarch, and we started to see this black area here, which is her area of most of her sweating. Now we did the same on the other side, and she's actually asymmetric. She says she sweats more on the left side, so we're going to go over to that side and also mark where the dark area shows her sweating. All right, so you can see her hair-bearing area is here, and we've outlined the area that turned dark. So if we hadn't done this, I would have just treated here. She would have probably had some breakthrough sweating here. So we're going to treat all these areas since we know where most of her sweating is. This is an intradermal injection. We have prepared the Botox with 4 cc's of saline, and I am using a 30 gauge needle and a 1 cc syringe. And the most important part of injecting this, I'm doing it in a grid fashion, is to stay intradermal. This is not a subcutaneous injection. We're not trying to hit any muscles. She's sweating already. We're not trying to hit muscles. We want to hit the sweat glands, and those are intradermal. How you doing? Is this hurting you?
A little bit.
Okay. We don't have any numbing medicine on her. She's tolerating it really well. How you feeling? Okay.
Good. Sweaty.
This is the last syringe, right?
One more.
One more after this?
One
Okay.
more syringe. Oh, no, that's better.
Just intradermal.